Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. Today we're going to clean the air conditioning system in this 2015 Lexus NX300h by replacing the pollen filter and using these aircon bombs and climate cleaners. To access your pollen filter, to remove it, open your glove box. It's the same on both sides of the car. There's going to be a little damper here, and we want to pinch the damper with your pliers if you can get a grip on it. There you go. So we pinch this little damper off, and then to get leverage, get into the car and pinch both sides of the glove box together, and it'll lower down. Move my legs back out of the way, and you can remove the glove box or you can just leave it hang. And in here, if you can see it, is the pollen filter cover. Remove the cover and remove your old pollen filter. Careful now, there might be lots of dust and dirt. And here you go. So you can see it's very due to be changed. Before we use the aircon bomb and so on, replace the cover before you put in your new filter. There we have it, the cover's in. Probably no need to replace the glove box yet, but we'll just snap it back in place. Okay, so here we have the Climate Cleaner Professional. What we're going to do is open all the windows of the vehicle to avoid inhalation of the vapors. So, done. Check the condensation drain for any blockage. Drain should be free and clear. Place a drip pan under the drain tube. We've placed some rags. Complete the following before cleaning the evaporator surface. Turn off air conditioning. Air conditioning is off. Switch ventilation to recirculation mode. Done. Set the temperature selected to the highest level. High. You can just hear the engine cutting in to heat us up. Okay, it's on high. Set air distribution to footwell. So footwell. Switch fan to full power for approximately 2 minutes and then turn everything off. So we're just going to wait for 2 minutes. It's been about 2 minutes on full power, so we turn everything off. We remove the pollen filter if present. We've already done that. Shake the can well and attach supply tube. So I have that down here. Be careful now. So you can put this into the blower motor, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it down the center vents, which are closest to the blower motor. So just go between the two. And you just repeat until the can is empty. So we're coming towards the end now, and we're basically just spraying the aerosol from the can into the vents. So we're pretty much done. You can see maybe a bit of chill there. The tube is getting quite cold. And once this is done, exit the vehicle for 20 minutes with the window still open, just for let all the vapors to escape. Come back and we just run the heat again for 2 minutes to dry all the system out. Yeah, that's it. Nothing left. So we've left it about 20 minutes to do its thing, so we're just going to start up the car again, and we're going to run it up to full temperature. and then we're going to do this for 2 minutes. It's been the full 2 minutes, so we can turn down the temperature. The system should be dry now. The next step is that we're going to use the aircon bomb. Okay, so what we have here is our climate cleaner aircon bomb. So shake the can, switch the vehicle on, which we've done, so you can put it on accessory mode. I've just turned it on because it's a hybrid. Close vehicle windows, done. Place climate cleaner upright on a towel on the front passenger floor near the recirculation intake. I've put a rag down there and also a rag on the perforated seats because these are air conditioned seats. Don't want anything getting in there. Set the climate control system air distribution and recirculation is set fan speed to maximum. Done. Keeping face away from can, push the button and activate the spraying process. Exit vehicle immediately. Wait 5 minutes. When it's over, wait another 5 minutes. So we're going to place it on the floor here, and we're going to jump out as quickly as we can. Okay, so it's all done. Open all the windows and leave the car vent out for as long as possible. Final step is to put in our new pollen filter. So pinch this back, lower this down, open up the panel. If I can. Oh, okay, stiffen the heat. Get your new pollen filter and just be conscious of the airflow. So the air is going to be pointing down because it's coming from outside next to the bonnet downwards towards the blower motor. So airflow down, and in the case of this man filter Frisch's Plus, you'll be able to read the writing. So you just slide it in, writing facing you, until as far as it goes. That's it. Put your door back on. That's it. Get it back in. You get your damper again. Push it back in. So there you go. That's how you clean the air conditioning system. On this particular car is a 2015 Lexus NX300h, but it would probably apply to most every Toyota and pretty much every car as well that has any sort of ventilation system. So really hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to like, share and subscribe to Driveway Dudes, and have a great day too.